Hey guys, today we're gonna hit on this joint back here that can cause stiffness, pain, just overall discomfort. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another video with me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. What are these dimples back here? Why do we get pain in through here? This is called our SI joint, our sacrum, which is in the center, and then our ilium, which are on the side here, which stands for the eye. You got the SI joint. So what does this do? This helps stabilize when we're walking, okay? So it helps stabilize our hips. We also have a lot of muscles that connect to the sacrum and the ilium, like the glutes, which is pretty cool. We talk about that a lot here on this channel. Okay, so if you hang on to something, put your thumb on this joint right here, that dimple, you're gonna feel it move up and down, up and down. And sometimes you will feel maybe a restriction in through here. So this is what we're gonna work on. We're gonna work on that restriction to help this joint move fluidly when we're walking, okay? Or squatting, or lunging, or picking up your kid. Okay, so we're gonna work on this. So we're gonna need a ball, lacrosse ball, tennis ball, a ball that has a little bit of give to it, okay? So we're gonna lay on the floor, but I'm gonna show you these points before I lay on the floor. Feel for that joint, go right above the joint, number one, and then number two, we're gonna go right below that joint. We're just gonna work around the SI joint right now. That's all we're gonna work on, okay? So go ahead, we're gonna lay on the floor. Woo, almost lost my ball there. Okay, we're gonna put it right above the joint first, okay? Right above, but what I don't want you to do is just fully lay on the ball, right? Hold yourself up a little bit with your legs, okay? And your hand here. I'm gonna move this hand so you can see. So it's above my SI joint. I'm then gonna move this leg. I'm actually gonna move my hip flexor, my hip, okay? In and down, in and down. And you probably can't really see it, but the ball is moving along with my joint, okay? And then what it's doing too is it's also pulling on that tissue around that area, okay? You can also move it a little bit closer to the spine, a little bit more medial, not on the spine. We don't want it on the spine. And we kind of can go like this, again, and then small oscillations, okay? And we're just working around that joint. I can move it on the outside of the joint a little bit, all right? And then second, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right below. Boom, right here, so you're on the top of your glute, essentially. And again, we're gonna move it, boom, down, up, down, oscillate around, boom, I'm making a wrap. Okay, and then also, I'll go kind of on the side right here and just feel this is tender right here for me, okay? Control the weight though with your feet, with your hands, so all of your body weight is not placed on the ball. And I recommend easing into that pressure, okay? If you wanna add more, you can, but less is always more in the situation. Don't spend too much time there, just a little bit to get that movement, then switch sides and do the other side. I personally like to do this before my programming that I do with the Schmidt Fit team. If you want to join that, feel free to hop on board, check it out at drlindsayschmidt.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and apply these to your everyday life. I am here to help you.